smaller.
Because it doesn't erode.
Yeah, but that's a different layer, right?
Right, it's a different layer, right. Because it laid down different layers. It's sandstone, limestone, and
Granite.
shale.
Those are really tough rocks.
But the limestone, yeah, shale's tough. The limestone is what erodes the most.
It's all compressed into rock?
Compressed, yeah. So then when it erodes down to the shale, it doesn't, I mean, it will erode, but it takes a lot longer.
Yeah.
And also, it turns acidic with the rain. And I think what happens with the limestone is the acid eats through the limestone because it's bone and shell, right?
Yeah. So
Whereas it doesn't eat through the sandstone as much, nor the shale. See, it's 330 million years old. You go another 300 miles east, and it's twice that.
Oh.
It's like 750 million years old, on the Parkway.
But it's very
the Blue
close
Ridge.
by.
Well, relatively speaking.
Yeah. Well, it's not across the
But basically here in Kentucky was once on the equator. I mean, the continents moved apart over the millions and millions of years.
And it's still moving, no?
Oh, yeah.
Crunching the...
Everything is in motion. It's a law of nature. Everything is in motion. It just doesn't appear to be in motion. Yeah, the continents are moving constantly. It doesn't appear to be because you can't see it move.
But isn't it like up in the Arctic? Or some plates are crunching, going like this?
Well, where it does that is on the, I think it's on the, where the plates hit are on the, in California, in Baja, western Mexico, western South America, and then Japan through there. Japan and, what is that, Sumatra? Those were the and so those are the worst earthquakes, and those where most of the volcanoes are.
Well, we read somewhere where the mountain is growing an inch a year.
Could be because they don't know how high the Smokies and the Appalachians were. They could have been as high at one point as the Himalayas. But because you've got, what, 700 million years of erosion, they're only 6,000 feet. And whereas the Himalayas are 30,000 feet.
And I guess that's why fossils are valuable.
Well, this isn't such a rich area in fossils, I think, because it's too old. The dinosaurs came in at what, 200 million years ago, and then they went extinct 65 million years ago. So if you're dealing with rocks that are 300 million or 600 million years old, there's not going to be much fossil in them, I don't think. Right. Or they're going to be small. You know, there's no dinosaur stuff.
Well, that mammoth cave is certainly mammoth. It's huge.
We went through 2 miles of it today. Almost 400 miles are explored. And she said they were going to explore some more this weekend, I heard her say. The team was going in to explore some new places, right?
Oh.
And they think there's another 600 miles that are, you know, unexplored. That's why it's mammoth.
600? No, that's too far to walk.
Twice as many miles passageways as any other caves in the world, right?